change out some of these photographs?
Not yet, no.
I don't remember that guy smiling at me ever before.
The
Bottom right. Is it a lizard?
It is a marine iguana from the Galapagos Islands. So this callus has been pretty painful?
It has.
Okay. Now, do we have any pads in your shoes to help take the pressure off this spot? Have we done any of that?
I have only the heel lifts.
Okay. Well, let's take a look, and you know, sometimes if we can put a pad around this,
Yes.
and I'll show you what I'm talking about, and we can either put it on your foot or in the shoe, then we can help keep it from coming back so quickly. So these are just some adhesive felt pads that go like this.
Clever.
And it'll take up the pressure around it and help
Yes,
keep
makes
some of the
sense.
ground, the pressure from the ground off that spot.
What happens in the shower?
Well, they're good until they get wet, then you take it off and replace it, or we could put it, instead of sticking to your foot, we could put it in the shoe.
Then we'd get the other, it would go the other way.
Exactly, exactly. So I can show you that before you leave.
Okay, because I am going to pool therapy after this.
Okay, and that's fine. All right. So,
The other favorite.
one of the doctors I spent time with when I was a student, every time he would start working with pads like this, he would say, yeah, my kindergarten teacher always told me I'd be good with arts and crafts. So, or told me I was good at arts and crafts, something like that. And the first time I heard it, it was kind of cute. And the second time I heard it, it was kind of cute.
And it got old.
Yeah. But, you know.
Well, you're good at photography, we know that.
Oh, well, thank you.
Oh.
Okay, so on this one, you would just put it the same, the same way. And these are pads that you can either get here. You can find them online. You don't usually find these adhesive felt pads in a drugstore, but
you can get them at Target,
Really?
I think.
or you can get them at our online store.
They're pretty
How convenient.
expensive though at Target.
Yeah. Or people just buy them here. They're not real expensive. There are also ones that are made out of a gel that you can reuse, and we can show you those before you go as well.
That sounds comfortable too.
Yeah, it's like in one pad you can reuse it and it'll last you maybe a month or two.
Are those calluses getting worse on those right?
I don't think so. I think they're just
I just
there.
come when they feel bad.
Well, we've been trying to get you in now every 6 weeks, right?
Right, and it really helps.
Okay, good.
That one's a toughie too, that,
On here?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll show you these pads before you go, and we're done.
This video serves as a great reminder that it's important to have elegant, beautiful nails and to take care of your nails. So treat yourself to a 7-piece manicure set like this. This beautiful gold kit comes with 2 nail clippers, trimmers, multi-purpose scissors, an ear pick, a cuticle trimmer, an eyebrow tweezer, and 1 acne needle. There's an Amazon link below to the kit that's highly recommended by this YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out and treat yourself to beautiful nails today.
I'm here to tell you about Rest More. It's an all-natural sleep formula, and unlike Ambien or Z-Quil that just knock you out, Rest More is non-narcotic and it helps you fall asleep with a unique blend of vitamins, herbs, and minerals. If healthy, restful sleep is important to you, I recommend Rest More.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, Get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.